Hello all. Just thought I'd give you a video. Some of you know me know I've owned this car for quite a few years now, and had it in storage. Didn't really know what to do with it. I just rescued it from being turned into a race car, and I thought, well, it's too nice a car for that. So did a bit of work on it when I first got it, and then really put it into storage. But now we've decided we're going to get it on the road and have our enjoyment out of it. So I'm going for it in as much as I've put various things on it, or going to put various things on it. I've replaced the headlining, and I've now stripped it, going for paint. So I'm just going to give you a quick walk round. It's actually not too bad. In general, the panels are quite straight, as you can see there. Just looking around it, little chip on the arch, nothing to get too excited about. The bonnet's in quite good condition. As you can see, I've stripped all the front chrome work out, and there's no real issues here. The arches feel all good in the inside. Just going back a bit though, there's just a couple of bits that have come out on the doors now. You can see a few blisters in the doors, so that's got to be addressed. On this door, the bottom of it seems quite good. It's a good shape, all in line. A little bit there, if I can get the angle right and show it, which I can't. But there's a bit of a blister in the door there. Unfortunately my camera won't pick it up. So going along here, same applies down here. There's a line going along it and a blister by the arch, which I can go in on there, and it follows a line along there, as if there's been a panel or something put in the bottom. It just needs to be finished off properly. So just going round again, back end doesn't look bad. Even a common fault on these is they do rot round the back windows. But this one actually looks quite good, and of course it's got the factory vinyl roof on it, which, although is creasing up a bit there, I'm hoping to keep it. Bit of a heat gun and see if we can stretch it into place again. Rear wings look good. I've taken the under panels off under the side there because both tanks are pretty rotten, so I've got to change those. And someone before has put stone chip on the rear panel, which I'm not really a great fan of, so I'm probably going to take that off. The boot lid, all the chrome removed. Again, no real issues. Same thing again, took the rear panel off. It obviously had some work done before, and the panels came off quite easily, as if it hadn't been that long before I bought it that it was done. Again, rear panel here, got some rust there, busting through, so that's got to be addressed. The door is a bit of a funny shape at the bottom, so we're going to look into that, because it's not quite a good fit. It's good at the top, but when you get down at the bottom it's sticking out a bit, so that will need a little bit of tweaking. And what I also did, one of the things when I first got it is it needed a new headlining. So what I did is put one of the GRP fiberglass ones in, and I've got to say it was really good. It was easy to fit, went in nicely. I had to retrim those side pieces and that back one myself, which obviously I've done, and I'm quite pleased with the results. A lot better than normally happens with these real saggy sort of headlining. Gonna get the seats reconalised as well. They've gone a bit hard and dried out, so I'll feed them before they're done. I took the windscreen out for two reasons. A, it had a crack in it, and the second one is it made it a lot easier to get the new headlining in. And these screens aren't actually too bad to get out. They've got an insert in them, so you can take the chrome out, pull the insert out, and the screen, the seals sort of fold over. So that's not too bad. I've still, as you could see, got to take the rear one out. What I'm going to do with the rear one, as you can see, I've taken the window sweep chromes off as well, so we can get the paint right over the edges. With the rear ones, they had I think these were a Trico or something like that, heated rear window. But what happens to these, sometimes the element breaks. Now you can repair these. There's a silver paint, yeah, with actually silver in it, so it's highly conductive. And what you can do, if you find a gap in any of these lines, you can mask it up and paint a line across the gap. And looking at this, I can't actually see any gaps in that, which I'm quite pleased about. But I will be checking it with a meter, because I don't really want to take it all out, put it back in, and it doesn't work. So I'm going to replace things like the breather pipes to the tank. While they're out, I might as well do that. I'll put new fuel pumps on it, so that we've got the reliability. It's got the chrome steel wheels on it, which I do quite like, and I think they'll clean up quite nicely. So all in all, I'm looking forward to it, because having worked in various different, well no, sorry, one major independent garage for my late cousin, bless him, and we used to do a lot of Jaguars. So these, I think, are just such a lovely looking car, being the coupe. They only made 2,606 UK ones, so it's quite a rare car really. And this is an original matching numbers right hand drive UK model in British racing green, as you can see. Lovely colour. So there you go. This is the state of the play. Just really got the windscreen to take out, and it's off for paint. So I'll give you all a run round of what it looks like when it comes out. Going to get some chroming done, certain things that need doing. So I'll show you the results of those and who I used, and give you a blow by blow putting it back together. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll speak to you soon. Many thanks. Bye now.